macOS Sonoma 14.5 is a significant update to Apple's operating system, introducing several new features, improvements, and enhancements. Here are some of the key changes. Security and Privacy Enhanced Gatekeeper provides improved malware protection and security settings. Additionally, there are new privacy settings offering more controls for apps accessing your data and camera. Performance and Optimization. Experience faster performance and responsiveness. Enjoy optimized battery life and power management. There are also improvements in multitasking and window management. Design and User Interface. We've introduced refreshed design elements and visuals that modernize the user experience. You'll notice new icons and a new color scheme that enhance the visual appeal of your desktop. Additionally, we've improved dark mode and accessibility features to ensure a comfortable and inclusive environment for all users. Features and apps. In macOS Sonoma 14.5, we've made significant updates to our native applications. The new Safari browser comes with improved performance and enhanced features, making your browsing experience faster and more secure. The Notes app now includes new organization tools to help you manage your information more efficiently. The Photos app has been upgraded with advanced editing features, allowing for more creative control over your images. Additionally, we've introduced new features in Maps, reminders, and messages to enhance your productivity and connectivity. Other changes: macOS Sonoma 14.5 supports new hardware, including updated Mac models, ensuring optimal performance and compatibility. We've also improved compatibility with iOS and iPadOS devices, making it easier to work across your Apple devices. Furthermore, we've implemented various bug fixes and stability improvements to enhance the overall stability and reliability of the system. This update brings a mix of security patches, performance enhancements, and user experience improvements, making macOS Sonoma 14.5 a significant update for Mac users. Let me know if you'd like more details on specific features.